Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Jobs for Living. Today we will be discussing about the opportunities for BTech, MCA, BCA graduates for the multiple locations, and there are opportunities even for the freshers and even with guys or the candidates with backlogs. Neo is hiring for UI UX designer with 2 to 5 years of experience. There are 3 open positions, and if you are eligible, you can send your resumes to work at neoito.com. ThinkPalm Technologies is hiring for Senior Technical Lead Datacom with 8 to 12 years of experience. If you are eligible, you can send your resumes to jobs@thinkpalm.com. Technorus is hiring for Auto Technical Lead with 5+ years of experience and a React Native developer, a digital marketing strategist, and a Flutter developer with 2 to 5 years of experience. If you are eligible, you can send your resumes to careers@technorus.com. VVDN is hiring for Linux application development with 2 to 5 years of experience for their Gurgaon, Noida or Banglore location. If you are eligible, you can share your CV to talent_hr@vvdntech.in. Abras Network is hiring for Senior Auto Developer with minimum 3 years of experience. If you are eligible, you can share your CVs to careers@abrasnetworks.com. TechVersant is looking for several developers for their software engineer position. They are looking for Python developer, Node developer, React Native developer, Cold Fusion, Vue, Moodle, React developer, PHP developer, Android developer, the Flutter developer, .NET developer, Salesforce developer, Java developer, Golang developer, UI UX designer, Ruby on Rails, and a front-end developer. If you are eligible for any post, you can send your resumes to careers@techversantinfotech.com. Glacis is looking for freshers and experienced Python developers for their Cochin and Goa branches. If you are eligible, you can share your resumes to careers@glacis.com with Python developer as the subject line. Norton is hiring for purchasing manager in Kochi. If you are eligible, you can send your resumes to hrd@nortoncommunication.com. Spericon is looking for technical support engineer with 2+ years of experience. If you are eligible, you can send your resumes to careers@spericon.com. IOCode is hiring for Laravel developers with minimum 5+ years of experience in PHP. They must have good communication skills and they should be able to work in US team. If you are eligible, you can send your resumes to careers@iocode.com. Cocoa Cloud is looking for someone who is good in social media and content management. If you have experience, if you have 0 to 2 years of experience, you can send your resumes to hr@cocoacloud.in. Excel Dynamics is looking for HR executives with 1 to 2 years of experience and who is ready to work in day and night shifts. If you are eligible, you can apply through the link given in the description. Turbolex Paints is hiring for sales manager all over Kerala. He or she should have a post-graduation with 3 years of experience as sales manager. And if you are eligible, you can send your resumes to paintsturbolex407@gmail.com. Apser is hiring for software architect with 12+ years of experience and a Java developer with 4+ years of experience and Java technical leads with 5+ years of experience and PHP developers with 4+ years of experience and an Angular developer with 3+ years of experience and a quality analyst lead with 4+ years of experience. If you are eligible, you can send your resumes to careers@apser.com. Techoris is hiring for Node developer with minimum 2 years of experience, and if you are eligible, you can share your CVs to info@techoris.com. Pit Solutions is hiring freshers and experience for their Trivandrum locations. They are hiring for front-end developer with 3 to 10 years of experience, PHP lead with 7 to 10 years of experience, and a PHP senior developer with 3 to 6 years of experience, and a SAP Commerce Cloud developer with 3 to 8 years of experience, a .NET lead with 7 to 10 years of experience, and a .NET MVC senior developers with 3 to 6 years of experience. They are also hiring senior WordPress developer and a senior Magneto developer with 4+ years of experience, and an auto developer with 3+ years of experience. If you are eligible, you can send your resumes to careers@pitsolutions, or you can apply through their website www.pitsolutions.com. They are also hiring for associate engineer, business analyst, associate test engineer, associate front-end developer, and associate mobile developer. These are mainly for 2021 graduates, and even the candidates with backlogs can also apply. You can send your resumes to recruitment@pitchsolutions.com, or you can apply through their website www.pitchsolutions.com. IMIT is hiring React developer with TypeScript knowledge with 2 to 3 years of experience, and an SQL developer with 2+ years of experience, and a Java developer with 3 to 5 years of experience. If you are eligible, you can send your resumes to contact@imitpark.com. Please like and share this video with your friends, and please subscribe this channel and click on the bell icons for more job updates.